Hi, you guys, welcome back. It's your girl Sweet Pea, and today I am doing a quick recipe on how to make your own tomato sauce. Let me show you what we got going on. So, what I have is some onion, about three garlics. I had a huge onion, so I actually probably used 1/4 of it. 3 cloves of garlic. I have 4 tomatoes. I'm only making a little bit for myself. I have black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, basil. I would usually use fresh, but I don't have any, and oregano. Also, I'm going to process it in the NutriBullet. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is quarter our tomatoes. Next thing we're gonna do is puree our tomatoes. That's it, that's all you gotta do. Next, I'm gonna heat up my pan with a little bit of olive oil. So that's getting a little hot. We add our oil. You wanna add a nice little amount because we're gonna cook our onions and our garlic in it. And you want to cook these until the garlic gets like a little bit of a brown color to it. And our onions get translucent. Now you do not want to step away from this because garlic will burn in like 2 seconds. And then once it burns, you're done. You're going to have to start over because you don't want that bitter taste. It's disgusting. And it already smells so good. So now I'm going to add my tomato mixture. Put this on high because you want to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer. You're going to add your salt and pepper, oregano and basil. Get a nice mix going. And turn it down, let it simmer. So I did add a little bit too much oil to mine. It tastes delicious, but it's a little bit runny. So what I'm gonna do is make a cornstarch slurry. Take some cornstarch, take in half a tablespoon. So I show you guys my mistakes so you know too. We make mistakes. Half a tablespoon of cornstarch and equal parts water. Half a tablespoon of water. If that's not enough, I'll do it again. is thickening, but there is still oil. It is thickening. You know, it's not like water like it was before. So I'm gonna do one more cornstarch slurry. I'm showing y'all my mistakes, because you might make the same mistake and not know what to do. This is what to do. Yes, there we go. Much thicker. We make mistakes, guys. We make mistakes. So yes, I put too much oil. That's about it though. So that's pretty much how you make pasta sauce though. Just lighten up on the oil. Boom, boom. But oh yeah, before you do anything, you definitely gotta taste it. It's hot as hell, so be careful. There we go. And that's how Sweet Pea makes pasta sauce. But not that much oil. Don't judge me. I know y'all gonna be talking crap, but it's all good. We learn. But thanks for following my page, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. And I'll see you guys in a little bit, because I'm about to make something else with this pasta sauce. See you. Peace out.